Managing staff access in Venue Manager is about control, accountability, and security. You decide who can access Roller, what they can see, and what actions they're allowed to take. In this video, you'll learn how to create staff accounts, assign roles, and enable multi-factor authentication for your venue. Before creating a staff account, it's important to understand roles in Roller. Every staff member must be assigned a role. A role controls what they can access and what actions they can perform. System roles come with fixed permissions. For example, administrators can access everything in Venue Manager, while POS operators can only access POS. System roles cannot be edited. If you're on a Pro plan or above, you can create custom roles. Custom roles allow you to adjust permissions by enabling or disabling specific actions. Custom roles are helpful when the default system roles allow too many or too few permissions for your team. If you're not sure which system role works best, open the role to see what permissions are included. To create a new staff member, go to Settings, then Staff, and select Add a Staff Member. Enter their first and last name and their work email address. Each staff member must have their own unique email address. We don't recommend sharing logins, as this makes it difficult to track activity, manage permissions, and maintain security. If a till discrepancy occurs on a shared login, you may not be able to identify what happened or who was responsible. Assign the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. You can also set a POS PIN. This allows the staff member to quickly log in to POS devices. Once you save, Roller sends an invitation email to the staff member so they can activate their account and set their password. At any time, you can edit a staff account from the Options menu. From here, you can update their role, contact details, resend a password reset link, or change their POS PIN. You can also assign venue contact roles. The account owner is the primary subscription contact and receives key account notifications. This role can only be changed by Roller support. A billing contact receives subscription invoices, renewal notices, and payment-related alerts. It's important to keep this up to date so the right person is notified if there are outstanding invoices or payment issues. A technical contact is notified about important security-related events, such as administrator changes. If someone leaves your team, you can delete their staff account. Be aware that deleting a staff account is permanent. You'll need to create the account again if you want to re-add the staff member. To strengthen security, you can enable multi-factor authentication for your venue. This means staff must enter their password and then confirm their identity using a second step, like a code sent to their phone or generated in an app. From Settings, go to Staff and select Activate MFA. Once enabled, all active staff members must enroll before they can log in. You'll see an MFA column in the staff list showing who is enrolled and who is not. This provides additional protection for your venue's sensitive data. You can hover over the MFA icons to see how a staff member enrolled, either through an authenticator app or email. You now know how to create staff accounts, assign roles, and enable MFA for your venue. With clear roles, secure logins, and well-defined permissions, you can confidently manage staff access while protecting your venue's data and ensuring accurate reporting.